Hi, and thank you so much for taking my class. I assume, seeing as though you are watching this video, you got the email from Diana, which should look something like this. I would like to just go very quickly through what I would like the students to complete during the class. It'll be a little bit of work on their own and then a couple of games. So the very first thing that they're going to do is they're going to watch a video that I've posted in their Google Classroom page. If you click on that, it shows the video. Otherwise, you could just go to take a look at any of their pages. That's the very first thing. So they'll watch that, and at the end of that, then I basically gave all the instructions for what they need um, to do there. And what the instructions were, where they are going to get half an hour to work on their study guide, which looks something like this, to help prepare for the test. They can work with whomever they like, and they can move about the room. But I did tell them in the video that if they are not staying on task, then they will be asked to go back to their seat and work on their own. So that's what they'll do for about 30 minutes of the class period. Because it's a Tuesday, it's a shortened period, so the class is about an hour long as opposed to an hour and 20 minutes. So for 30 minutes, they're going to do that. And at the end of 30 minutes, you can call them back to their seat. And there are 3 games that the students are going to be able to play. I'm not sure if you've ever done a Kahoot or a Quizlet before, but I'll just show you quickly how you set those up as well. It's just a game that the whole class is able to play and participate in. So the Quizlet, if you click on this link, it'll take you to the actual Quizlet itself. I'm not sure if it'll take you to my Quizlet page or it'll just say, welcome to Quizlet. I don't really know. Hopefully, because I've shared the link, you'll get this Quizlet. And so the one that I would like you to do, once it's up, it'll say astronomy vocabulary, and there are a bunch of different vocab down below. And what we'll do is we will play Quizlet live. So you click on that button and just say create game in the upper right here. And it's going to give a class code. The students will go to quizlet.live. If you wanted to have this up on the screen, that's fine. Just plug your computer in. They need this code to join, and then they're going to put their names. They'll get names down here. Once you have all the students in, or as many that want to play, you can say start game, and it'll randomly put them into teams. Once they're all seated in their teams, then you can get started playing the game itself. The one rule I would suggest is saying that they are not allowed to talk, because you'll just have one person looking at everybody else's screen and telling them what the answer is. So say that they aren't allowed to talk, but they can be working at the same tables. So that's the first game that they'll play. The second games are something called Kahoots. And if you don't know what a Kahoot is, it's basically kind of like a Jeopardy game, but it's played over the internet. So if you click on this link, it'll take you to a Kahoot that just says play. And when you click it, it's going to ask, would you like to start? And you can start now. And we'll have them work, they can work with a partner. If they want to be in a partner for the first match, you just say, okay, they need one computer for the 2 of them. You could click on classic, and the same sort of thing. There'll be a class code. They have to go to kahoot.it. Oh, that sound is awesome. I'm going to mute it. Hopefully that didn't mute me as well. They need this game pin, and all of the players will come down here, and then you just click start, and then forward through the questions once everybody has answered, and then they get rankings afterwards. The kids love them. So we've got 2 of them that they can play. That one was with partners, and the second one they can try doing individually. So between all 3 of those games, it should be about 30 minutes. Another 30 minutes, so that should take you to the end of the class. If you get done early, they can just go back to studying a little bit more on their study guides. Again, I think that's all that you're going to need, but I do hope that everything goes smoothly. If not, just email me and I will try my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. So thank you very much. Bye-bye.